Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to transfer crypto to Exodus wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Exodus wallet on a device and tap any crypto you want to add. I am going to select Bitcoin. You can now transfer the crypto through the receive arrow at the top right, so tap on it. Your QR code and wallet address will appear, so you can scan the code or copy the address to transfer crypto to your wallet. You can also tap share and send your wallet address. So that's how you transfer crypto to Exodus wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.